Hello, this is Greg and Chris here. Hey, it's MAINE'S Food Reviews coming once again for the burrito.
And this is the meal, guys. There we go.
So this is Chef Ramsay mushroom risotto with mushrooms, white wine, and Parmesan cheese, guys. This looks delicious.
From the professional Ramsay.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, let's do it. So,
okay, here we go.
This is nutrition facts, 1 serving per container, and we're splitting this, guys.
Yeah.
Serving size 1 bowl, 320 calories, total fat 9, saturated fat 6, trans fat 0, cholesterol 30, sodium 1090. Sodium.
What?
Yeah.
What is Ramsay trying to do?
Give us a heart attack.
Yeah.
Total carbs 47, dietary fiber 1, total sugars free, includes 1 added sugars and 11 protein.
Whoa.
Potassium 240.
How many carbs in it?
47.
What?
Minus 1 gram of fiber. 46.
So I guess this one meal supposed to fill us up.
Let me see if you like this first.
Yeah, let's see if I like
Try
it. Yeah. Oh, it's got cheese in it.
Try it.
Yeah. It's good.
Okay, put it down.
Oh, wow. Greg knows how to hunt for food. Of course, if you ain't careful how much you eat of this, you put your sodium sky high.
That's good.
So if you eat half of this, it's like 500 sodium probably.
Yeah.
Not bad. The cheese really tastes really good too.
And we're doing 2 meals today. We're doing a fish and chip, and then we're doing this one, and we're gonna split them. So
it's probably the best one I tasted so far, guys. One of the better ones.
I like the lasagna the best.
Yeah.
And the chicken.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll give this a 9, guys. I think I'll live with this longer. Yeah. What do you give it?
I give it 8.
8, yeah.
Really good.
Yeah. I almost was thinking about 10, but not quite because the sodium is like really heavy. I think only have a half of that. Probably. Always share, guys. Always have a friend to share with. You know, it saves on the sodium intake and it helps. You know. So
anyway,
it's good.
These actually dropped in price.
Oh, they're actually 5 now.
They're 5 and change. I think 5.85 or 84.
584.
584.
So they're trying to
or
make
564.
Yeah.
So these were originally $6 and change.
They're trying to help the tax.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the tax does make it add up. It's probably like $6.
So I think they heard us, guys, because we were complaining about how much they were.
Yeah, I know.
I think Gordon Ramsay's like, yeah, they're expensive.
Maybe some of their people were watching the channel. I don't know, but weird. But yeah. Thanks for putting the price down, Gordon Ramsay.
I know it's not him that actually makes each one of the meals.
No, it's no way. Yeah.
I know it's the packaging company and the distributor that does it.
So we tried Ramsay, and you probably have as much sodium in it.
It's Gordon Ramsay's recipes or something like that.
Yeah.
And then what they do is they put him on the box to advertise.
If he gave us this meal and cooked it himself, he'd probably put a lot less sodium in it. I admit it. So if I think his would taste it like a 10. I think it would.
I didn't overly taste too much sodium in there. It was just
I didn't either. I'm so used to it. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, so check this out. It's called the mushroom risotto.
Yeah. I like it.
It's really good.
Yeah.
And if you want to ever put a little bit extra Parmesan, you can. So
yeah, Parmesan.
I got some Parmesan today with my order.
Oh, you did? Good. Yeah.
Anyway, guys, subscribe to our channel, MAINE'S Food Reviews. Content. Remember, subscribe, like, hit the
remember we got a movie review on our channel, guys.
Oh, yeah. It's called MAINE Movie Reviews.
MAINE Movie Reviews, guys. Check it out.
Subscribe, like, hit the notification button.
Bro.
And remember, Jesus loves you and we do too. Peace
Peace
out! Have a good day, guys. God bless.